Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is looking at employees negatively. Ladies and gentlemen, in any organization, every individual has got its own job responsibility. And all the individuals working in an organization, they get a particular job according to their knowledge, qualification and experience. This is the only criteria of gaining job anywhere: knowledge, experience and qualification. Now, we all know this fact that inside any organization there is a procedure, some task is going on, and different people working in different sections of the department are responsible for accomplishing that task in their own specific way according to the profile to which they belong. That is the only criteria of working in any organization. Organization grows by consistent hard work and honest efforts of employees of the organization. Management people, they make appropriate policies for growth and upliftment of the organization, and then the employees of the organization, they ensure that those policies are getting implemented effectively. The role of the management is to frame the policies, and the role of the employees of the organization is to implement those policies in an effective manner to ensure growth and success for the organization, and along with that, good reputation for the organization also. This is the criteria, this is the basic criteria on which every organization works. We all know this is nothing new that I am telling you. But above this, there is one more criteria which decides success of an organization, and that criteria is known as trust. That criteria is trust, ladies and gentlemen. As owners of an organization, you must have trust in your employees. If you are not having trust in your employees, there is no meaning what creative things you are doing in your organization. The very first thing is you must have trust in your employees. That is the basic criteria of achieving any kind of organizational success. And your employees, while working inside your organization, they must also feel this thing that our management, our seniors, our superiors are having faith in us. They think that we are genuine employees. And when employees have this kind of feeling in their mind, they work more genuinely. They work more creatively. They work in the direction of making the organization more innovative. They try to implement new things, new tools, new technologies inside their organization by their own specific efforts. This is the level of dedication that they show towards their organization when organization has faith in its employees. But when organization thinks that my employees are there to cheat me, my employees are there to dupe me, my employees are always thinking about their own personal benefits and they are not thinking about overall benefits of the organization, that way the organization can never grow. And employees will always consider themselves detached from the actual aim of the organization. Now, there are two types of aims in any organization, ladies and gentlemen: your personal aims and organizational aims. Organizational aim is organization is working in a particular direction and you are making 100% efforts in that particular direction to ensure organizational objectives. And the second thing is employees also work for their own personal upliftment. How they work for their own personal upliftment? The kind of task that they are doing inside the organization, they show 100% dedication towards that task. Firstly, from the point of view of bringing a quality inside their organization, and secondly, from the point of view of learning something on their own out of the task that they are doing. The kind of task that has been assigned to the employees inside the organization, firstly, they work effectively on that task to ensure organizational growth, and then Secondly, they also try to understand, they also try to learn more and more on the job that they are doing. So they work from dual motive. Number one is organizational growth, and number two is their own personal growth by concentrating on the task that they are doing, by understanding more and more about the responsibilities that have been assigned to them by the organization. So this is the actual criteria of working inside any organization, inside any company. But to ensure overall success and growth, it is also required that organization must have faith in their employees. Organizations should never think that this particular employee inside my organization, he is there to cheat me. He is there to cheat me. Whatever he is doing, it will defame my organization. Organizations should not have such kind of feelings in their mind towards their employees. It leads to demoralization. Employees always feel demotivated when management has no faith in them. Even if they are working genuinely, even if they are working honestly, even if they are having no ill will against the organization, still they feel depressed because their organization is not having faith in them. Their organization is not having faith in them. It really demoralizes employees of the organization, as a result of which they show little dedication towards the organization, and because of this they spoil their own personal life also. So it is damaging both for the organization, also for the employees of the organization. If an employee is working in a demotivated manner, he will never work effectively for the organization, and because of this he will not be able to gain good money, good increments and good perks for himself also. So it is a dual drawback, ladies and gentlemen. That's why organizations must have faith in their employees. Organizations must think that the salary that they are giving to their employees, only because of that salary their employees are able to look after their families. Only because of the monthly salary that the employees are getting from the organizations, they are able to look after their families properly. So if that source of income stops, it will be a huge setback to the families of the employees. This thing must be there in the minds of management. That's why I must say that employees will always work genuinely for the organization. Employees are never willing to dupe the organization. Employees are never willing to do anything wrong for the organization. Whatever they do for the upliftment of the organization. Whatever they do for the benefit of the organization. Because if I don't consider this thing from a genuine point of view, if I don't consider this thing from dedication towards duty point of view, let us take this thing from financial gains point of view. The employee is working properly in your organization because he is getting good salary from you. Because of the salary that he is getting from you, he is working genuinely. If he is not working genuinely, you will not give him good salary. So he is also working genuinely for his own benefit at the very first place. If he works genuinely, he will get good salary, and this thing is there in the minds of employees. They know this thing, that if they want proper salaries, they must work consistently. So even if the salary is the motivating factor for the employees, still they are working genuinely. Still they are working genuinely. That's why management must have faith in their employees. If the employees are doing anything wrong, definitely those employees must be fired from the organization, ladies and gentlemen. There is no use of such employees who are doing nothing for the organization, who are defaming organization, who are doing something wrong inside the organization to fulfill their own personal motives. Such kind of employees, they don't deserve any kind of job, and strictly they must be thrown out of the organization. But all the employees are not non-genuine. All the employees are not there to cheat the organization. Employees always work in the direction of the aims of the organization because they also want salary at the end of the month. Because they have to support their families because of their salary that they are getting from the organization. They have to support their families. They have their own wives, husbands, and children whom they have to look after. And how they are looking after their families? What is the base? The base is the monthly salary which the organizations are giving to their employees. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, it's a dual benefit. Employees should work consistently in the direction of the aims and aspirations of the organization, and in return, organizations must have a level of faith in their employees. If organizations are not showing faith in their employees, if organizations are thinking in this manner that every time this particular employee or that particular employee is duping me, is cheating me, that way organizations cannot grow. That way organizations cannot grow, ladies and gentlemen. A mutual trust is required, is highly required. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.